Did you know that there are over 130,000 automotive dealerships in the United States? Now, let's delve into the vital procedure that sits behind each vehicle you glimpse on the streets. Verification of Vehicle Regulation 31. This process is pivotal in assuring safety and legality, making it an irreplaceable part of dealer education. Fresh modifications have been made, escalating its significance for dealers to stay updated. Presently, the updated Regulation 31 mandates dealers to verify more than just vehicle specifications. They must also affirm the genuineness of the prior owner's documents. This is indeed a game changer, introducing an additional security layer to every vehicle transaction. With an intensified attention on fraud deterrence, this fresh provision safeguards both the dealers and buyers alike, making our roads more secure and our transactions more trustworthy. Always remember, knowledge is indeed power. By comprehending and executing the updated Regulation 31, the Verifying Agency section checkbox is reconfigured. For vehicles coming from other countries, the CHP checkbox has been added. As such, vehicles must only be verified by a DMV or CHP verifier. In the Statement of Facts section, the X on the signature line has been eliminated. Customers were signing the Statement of Facts section instead of the perjury statement. Consequently, the perjury statement has been relocated to the last section of the form. Dealers, therefore, pave the way for a more streamlined, safer, and efficient vehicle industry. Final point to note is the continued use of the Reg 31 forms until the current supplies are exhausted. This is your fast update on dealer education for vehicle verification. Stay informed, stay ahead. If you found this information useful, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, more valuable content like this is on its way, so stay tuned by turning on your notifications. Thank you for watching and helping us grow this community of informed dealers.